This video is sponsored by Omnisend. I clearly don't have my shit together this morning. Like, I just don't have my shit together. Oh my god, okay, I'm not. I forgot our samples at home. Like, all of them. So what we have here is the presents that I was gonna give to everyone on set. So I'm embarrassed. Okay, so thank God that friendship has saved the day. The crash out has been successfully avoided, and now I can tell you guys what we're actually doing today. Today we're shooting a super cute girly pop campaign with some of my favorite local brands. The goal of today is to get some cute content that we can all use for social media and email marketing campaigns. This is Darling Kat, who is the designer and creator of Kitney. We're also on set today with another local Los Angeles brand. Apple Doll is a makeup brand. This is my assistant Gabby, who is another diva, part of the Meide team. Oh, I love this. Yay! So my beautiful friend Lacey is here. Hi, beautiful. Oh my god, I love you. Can you bring both of these? Yeah. The piece that we're shooting for this look is the Rosaline choker. It's a faux suede cord choker, and it's actually currently on sale along with a ton of other pieces on our site. Everything that I'm wearing today is Kitney. A lot of their pieces are made out of cotton and they're so comfortable. That's why I've stood by this brand for like 5 years now, maybe, since they first started. So if you are subscribed to our mailing list on Meide, you might have received this super cute email. And that's thanks to the sponsor of this video, Omnisend. So I actually started using Omnisend myself for Meide about 2 years ago. So way before they were a sponsor, I was an actual paying customer. And here are the 15 campaigns that I've run in the past with Omnisend in the past to prove it. So I'm going to show you guys how I made my latest email campaign. Luckily, there are a ton of templates to choose from, like you'll never run out. So you don't have to really worry about designing and stressing about whether you're good at graphic design or not, because even for myself, I struggle a lot. So using some of their pre-made templates, I basically just had to replace the images that they had with my own custom images. Here's one that I made with the hero image from our photo shoot, which I think turned out so cute. I edited some basic information myself in Photoshop, then I changed the color of the background and other elements like text to better fit the branding and the message of this campaign. And then from there on, it's super easy to set up the email to go live. One of the coolest things that they offer for paid accounts is free migration. So if you're a small business owner like me and you've been looking to upgrade your email marketing and you're switching from a different platform, their team literally moves everything for you. So you don't have to worry about building everything from scratch, and you can focus on doing more important things for your business. And they also have 24-hour real human support, because like the weirdest problems as a small business owner always pops up in the middle of the night. So if you've been wanting to upgrade your email marketing but migration has been scaring you away, Omnisend basically takes care of the entire thing for you. Today I'm gonna focus on building out these floral arrangements, and I have a bunch of like pots and like really cool pieces of furniture that I've collected over the years. I'm gonna try to build like some kind of set out of all of this. Hi! We are here at a silk flowers warehouse. Dude, this place is so cool! Look at all these this freaking giant metal chalice. Where are we? I'm gonna be getting a bunch of these peonies because the head of the flower is really large, so it'll be really easy to fill up like a really big like centerpiece. It would be kind of crazy if I got one of these and put like roses in it.
Oh.
It's
crazy. Literally huge.
What about that guy?
The round ball?
How much is this?
Probably like $300.
$500.
Oh, that's what I was gonna say, but I was like, no way.
Oh, it's really heavy.
What the hell?
Happy Easter.
Yeah, you'd think there'd only be flowers, but
like an inch left of water.
It's a battery.
No, there's more. Ooh.
There's a lot more.
Ooh. This. Maybe 6. All right. Yes.
Massive.
Yeah. That's it.